Not every used Subaru delivers the same long-term ownership experience. Some have earned an outstanding reputation for lasting reliability, exceptional comfort, and years of dependable service, while others simply don't stand out in the same way. So, which Subaru is the smartest used buy in 2026? In this countdown, we'll reveal 5 Subaru models that have consistently won the trust of owners through proven durability, everyday practicality, and outstanding long-term value. Car number 5, Subaru Impreza. Every great reputation has a starting point, and for Subaru, the Impreza has quietly introduced countless drivers to what dependable ownership really feels like. It doesn't rely on flashy features or dramatic styling to stand out. Instead, it earns respect by consistently delivering exactly what owners expect, year after year. That sense of confidence begins the moment you settle into the cabin. The seating is supportive, visibility is excellent, and every control feels naturally placed, making daily driving feel effortless rather than complicated. Even after years of use, the interior continues to feel solid and well-assembled, reflecting Subaru's focus on lasting quality instead of short-term appeal. One of its greatest strengths is the confidence provided by Subaru's symmetrical all-wheel drive. Whether the pavement is wet, uneven, or simply unpredictable, the Impreza maintains a composed and reassuring character that helps every journey feel less stressful. It isn't something owners constantly think about. It's simply there whenever they need it. Routine maintenance is straightforward, ownership costs remain reasonable, and many examples continue performing reliably well beyond expectations. Combined with excellent resale value and a reputation for durability, the Impreza becomes more than just dependable transportation. It becomes a trusted companion that quietly proves its worth every single day. But if dependable simplicity is only the beginning, the next Subaru adds another layer that many owners come to appreciate even more. Car number 4, Subaru Legacy. The Legacy has always taken a different approach. Instead of demanding attention, it creates an experience that owners grow to appreciate with every passing mile. It's the kind of sedan that makes long journeys feel remarkably relaxing while asking very little in return. Inside, the atmosphere immediately feels more refined. Soft-touch materials, supportive seating, and thoughtful craftsmanship create an environment that remains inviting whether you're driving across town or spending hours behind the wheel. The cabin stays impressively quiet, allowing conversations, music, or even simple moments of silence to become part of the experience. Unlike many traditional sedans, the Legacy offers the reassurance of standard symmetrical all-wheel drive. Changing weather and changing road conditions become less of a concern because the vehicle delivers confidence naturally, without asking the driver to think about it. Owners also value how gracefully the Legacy ages. Its solid construction, proven engineering, and reputation for dependable service mean many examples continue feeling composed even after years of ownership. Modern safety technology and intuitive infotainment further enhance everyday convenience without overwhelming the driving experience. The Legacy isn't designed to impress for a weekend. It's designed to satisfy for years. And that quiet consistency explains why so many owners remain loyal to it. Still, the next vehicle transforms that same confidence into something even more versatile, opening the door to a lifestyle that extends far beyond the daily commute. Car number 3, Subaru Crosstrek. Some vehicles fit into your schedule. The Crosstrek encourages you to create new ones. Its popularity comes from the way it blends everyday practicality with the freedom to take the longer route home, explore unfamiliar roads, or pack for a spontaneous weekend getaway without hesitation. It's compact enough to feel effortless in everyday driving, yet versatile enough to adapt whenever life changes direction. The cabin reflects that same philosophy. Durable materials, smart storage solutions, and an upright driving position create a comfortable environment that feels ready for daily use rather than occasional adventure. Excellent visibility and intuitive controls make every trip feel relaxed, while the overall craftsmanship continues to hold up impressively over time. Subaru's symmetrical all-wheel drive works seamlessly alongside generous ground clearance, giving the Crosstrek a calm, composed personality when road conditions become less predictable. That added confidence encourages owners to focus less on the road ahead and more on the journey itself. Reliability has become one of the Crosstrek's strongest selling points. Its proven engineering, manageable maintenance costs, and consistently high owner satisfaction have helped it build a loyal following that continues to grow with every generation. For many people, the Crosstrek represents possibility. It fits busy weekdays just as naturally as weekends filled with new experiences. But if versatility is the heart of the Crosstrek, the next Subaru delivers something even more valuable for those who place everyday comfort at the center of every journey. Car number 2, Subaru Forester. There is something uniquely reassuring about a vehicle that simply makes life easier. That is exactly what the Forester has done for decades, earning the trust of drivers who value practicality, comfort, and lasting dependability above everything else. From the driver's seat, its greatest strength becomes immediately clear. Large windows and exceptional visibility create a remarkable sense of openness, reducing stress and making every journey feel more relaxed. The spacious cabin welcomes passengers with supportive seating, thoughtfully designed storage, and materials that continue looking and feeling durable after years of family life. Subaru's symmetrical all-wheel drive works quietly in the background, delivering steady confidence whenever road conditions change. Combined with its balanced ride and composed handling, the Forester creates an ownership experience defined not by excitement, but by reassurance. Its reputation for long-term reliability is reinforced by countless owners who continue driving their Foresters well into high mileage with little more than consistent maintenance. Add strong resale value, intuitive technology, and Subaru's respected eyesight safety system, and it's easy to understand why so many buyers return for another one. The Forester doesn't ask for attention. It earns appreciation through years of dependable service, becoming part of everyday routines that owners simply learn to trust. And yet, one Subaru manages to bring together everything you've heard so far into one remarkably complete package. Car number 1, Subaru Outback. If one vehicle captures everything Subaru represents, it is the Outback. It has earned its place not because it excels in a single category, but because it brings together comfort, versatility, craftsmanship, reliability, and long-term value in a way that feels remarkably complete. It adapts effortlessly to life's changing demands, making every drive feel less like a task and more like part of the journey. Step inside, and the cabin immediately reflects years of thoughtful refinement. Comfortable seating, high-quality materials, generous cargo space, and a quiet atmosphere create an environment that feels welcoming every single day. Every detail serves a purpose, making the Outback feel just as rewarding after years of ownership as it does during the first drive. Its symmetrical all-wheel drive has become one of the defining reasons owners remain loyal. Rain, uneven pavement, changing seasons, and unexpected conditions are met with calm confidence, allowing drivers to focus on where they're going instead of worrying about how they'll get there. Long-term durability has become one of the Outback's greatest achievements. Properly maintained examples routinely provide years of dependable service, supported by strong resale value and an ownership experience that consistently earns praise from loyal drivers. Perhaps that's what makes the Outback so memorable. It doesn't simply transport people from one destination to another. It quietly becomes part of life's routines, family memories, and unforgettable adventures. And when the time finally comes for something new, many owners discover there's only one vehicle they truly want to replace it with: another Outback. True reliability isn't about making a great first impression. It's about earning your trust every single day for years to come. Whether it's the practical Impreza, the refined Legacy, the versatile Crosstrek, the dependable Forester, or the remarkably well-rounded Outback, each of these Subaru models proves that lasting quality, everyday comfort, and genuine peace of mind never go out of style. If you enjoyed this countdown, be sure to like the video, subscribe for more automotive content, and let us know in the comments which Subaru you would choose, or which reliable model deserves a spot in our next countdown. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.